So today's topic we will have VI editor, and in this we will learn how to work in VI editor. So what exactly is this VI editor? So VI editor is a text editor. Text editor means like we have notepad, wordpad. Using that we can create a file or we can edit existing file. If you see with the cat command, you can create a file but you cannot edit. You cannot modify the existing content. You have to use nano. Similarly, here we have VI editor using which you can create also and you can edit also. So VI editor, VI stands for visual editor and VI improved. So earlier the editor was VI. Later they have improved, they have enhanced the version, they have added some features and they have released the version Vim. VI improved. So nowadays what you are using, that is Vim, not VI. You will type the command VI, but already alias is created. So if you type VI, it will open Vim. If you type Vim also, it will open Vim. Means in all the condition it will open Vim only. Okay. Now we have one graphical version of Vim, GVim. Okay, so in the graphical version of Vim means in the desktop environment, VI editor or Vim editor we can open in command line. Same editor if I need in graphical, for that also we have the solution. But for GVim we need to install one package, one feature of this Linux which is called Vim X11. Vim minus X11. That package, when we learn how to install the package, then we will see at that time how to install this package and how GVim looks like. This VI editor was also available in Unix, and as of now, if Unix operating system someone is using, can see there VI editor is there and the working behavior of the VI editor is same how it is here and there also. Now here we have three modes of the VI editor. Three modes means like suppose if you have to drive a car, and nowadays we have these AMT cars, or in that also if you have to put the reverse, then you have to put in reverse, and in the front only 1 2 3 gear you don't need to shift. But in a manual gearbox, you see if you want to go in gear number 1, so how you will go? First you will be in the neutral. When you are going to start your car, the gear in which your car will be is a neutral gear first. Then you go to gear number 1. Now you have to go in gear number 2. So what you will do? Huh? Directly into. Then again we have to come first in neutral. Then we can go in gear number 2. So overall, I just wanted to say that when you turn on your car, start your car, and from that point, if you want to go in any gear, neutral is the base. You have to return first to that gear, then only you can go to any other gear. Similarly, here in the VI editor, we have command mode. So command mode is like a neutral gear. When you open VI editor, you will be in command mode. Then you want to go in any other mode, you can go. But from where you can go? Command mode. Again you have to return to command mode. Then you can go in any other mode. Means here command mode is like a neutral gear. Is it clear? So first thing is command mode, which is the default mode. When you open, you will be in the command mode. In the command mode, we can move our cursor. Move our cursor means we can scroll the pages, we can move the cursor, we can read the content. Also, if we want to copy, cut, delete the lines, paragraphs or word, we can do in command mode. And for everything in VI editor, we have the command. If you want to delete a line, we have command DD. If you want to copy a line, we have command YY. Understood? So all these type of command we can execute in command mode. That's why we say it as a command. Okay. plus from the command mode I want to go in insert mode. For that also you have to press the command I, a small I. Then you will go in the insert mode, and in the insert mode you can type the text, you can modify the text, you can delete whatever you want, like normally how you work in the notepad. That is your insert mode. Once you are done with the insert mode, again you have to come back to command mode. For that you will press escape key, escape button. Whenever you press escape button, you will come back to command mode. Then again, what you want, once you have typed everything, modified anything, you want to save and exit. For that you have to press colon. When you press colon means you are in EX mode, exit mode. And there we have W to save, Q to exit, WQ save and exit. Okay, so like this type of commands we have. So I hope these all three modes are clear. When you open VI editor, you will be in the command mode. You want to type anything, press a small I, go in the insert mode. Type whatever you want, then press escape, again come back to command mode. After that, the next step is save and exit. So colon W to save, Q to exit, enter, you will be out of the VI editor. Is it clear? Any confusion? To use this VI editor, you have to type VI or Vim space file name. If the file exists, it will open. If it does not exist, that will be a new file. Let's start. So what you will type first? VI space any file name. प्रेस करो पूरा प्रेस करो अरे नहीं प्लग को प्रेस करो हाँ you have turned off the switch ना नीचे डाउन साइड क्यों काम नहीं कर रहा तुम्हारा रुको unplug 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 it give it to me I'll check in another call this one is not on inverter right done press a small I type whatever you want तो लिखेगा कौन see once again VI space file name like I am giving joy now I am in which mode insert command mode I'll press a small I am in So insert mode, how I can say? You see, insert is written here. So then you can type, this is a file of reports. We can do anything. You see, you can go modify like this. When you have typed the text, you will press escape. When you press escape, you see insert is not there. Okay. Then colon WQ. WQ for save and exit. Understood? So only this much is enough. Because you will not use more than this much. But they have given in course, that's why I am going to teach you other features also. But in general use, what you will do? Only this much, right? Open the VI editor, write anything or modify anything, save and exit. That's it. You cannot set any color, you cannot change the font size, nothing. Okay. So I hope all of you are able to work in this VI editor. Hmm? What are? Now again open your file. So you are in command mode. So left side you can see I have written in the insert mode. We have some commands like a small I to go in the insert mode. Capital A means add line text to end of the line. Leave capital A. My cursor is in the last line, end of the line. So I will jump in beginning of the line. So for that I will use capital I. See, I am in command mode. If I use capital I, where is my cursor? Beginning, and see the mode, insert. Understood? Press escape. Press capital A. You see, where is your cursor? End of the line, and jumped in insert mode also. Press escape. You want to insert a line below, a small o. Sorry, I have pressed capital O. Caps lock is on for me. So it has gone up. It has inserted one line above. If it is a small o, in that case, one line, sorry, a small o, it will insert one line below. So everything you can test with the escape. You have to be in the command mode and then try. So try this A I O O, small and capital O. And whatever things are written, is it work like that? Then Linux complete. Go and join AWS. You know now how to work in any editor. Is enough. How to open Linux, how to create user. Then what else you want? Done. So these are the insert mode commands which we can practice. Apart from this, moving to the next, that is saving and exit. For save and exit, you read first what are the things written. W2 save the file. WQ save and exit. Q sign of exclamation. Exit without saving. Sometime what happened? We open any file, we have done some modification. We don't want to save, but we want to exit. In that case, colon Q sign of exclamation. Sometime you have opened file and normally you want to exit. Colon Q, enter. Wherever you need to put force, there you will use sign of exclamation. sometime you are trying to save an exit and it's not agreeing normally. Sign of exclamation and then put force and exit. Understood? So try these commands. So how you will try? WQ you have already tried. So first you will do some modification W. Saved but not exit. Second time again you will modify something but you will not save. Exit without saving. Q sign of exclamation. Try this one. And after that you open your file, read and simple exit with the Q. So try these all. WQ, W, Q exclamation and all. अब लग रहा है संन्यास का समय आ गया पढ़ाने से। बहुत पढ़ा लिया, 16 साल पढ़ा है, 16 years। हैं? 16 साल कम है, कर देना बहुत कुछ। पढ़ाना एक जिम्मेदारी है ना। अगर आज हमको मन करे नहीं जाए, आज हमें मन कर रहा है मान लो नहीं जाए पढ़ाने, मगर मन का नहीं सुन सकते। क्यों? स्टूडेंट्स उम्मीद लगा के आके लौटेगा, ऐसा हर लोग नहीं सोचते। मतलब हम तो एटलीस्ट उस चीज को सोचना पड़ता है। ये बहुत जिम्मेदारी वाला काम है, एक टीचिंग और एक डॉक्टर, वो चाहे ना चाहे उसको अपना कर्म करना पड़ता है। अगर ईमानदारी से वो कर रहा हो तो, नहीं तो फिर तो कोई बात ही नहीं छोड़ सकते ना। Done this one. All EX mode commands working fine. Any confusion? Hmm? Okay. Now the next is search and replace. So before using this search and replace, we will use this one: copy, delete, and change. Okay. So how these commands work? We are in VI editor. I want to delete any line. I'll press which command? First press escape and then DD. Try. It is working for you also or not. DD to delete the line, and which line it will delete? Wherever your cursor is. Deleting these lines. Huh? Undo. Why you want undo? For undo, place U. Understood? U. So U is for undo. And for redo, Control R. Okay. For undo, you have to press U. So how many times you press, accordingly it will revert the changes. Okay. Now the next is copy. To copy, here the word used is yank. Y-A-N-K, yank. Okay. Yank means copy. So to copy any line, you have to press YY. And to paste, there is two commands, a small p, capital P. So a small p will paste above, and a small p will paste below, capital P will paste above. Understood? So you press and you can see how many times you press, accordingly it will appear. If I press capital P here, you see above the current line. Working for you also, copy paste. Now the next is, if you want to cut, we say as a change also. So this line I don't like, so I want to change. So I have to press CC. So when you press CC, it will delete and take you to insert mode so that you can write new line. Okay. So copy, delete, change and paste is clear. No confusion. So what you have to do, you have to copy any line and paste it 10 times. Why? If you paste like that, then only you can see, na, search and replace. Replace all, replace any word. So how you will practice? So copy any line, paste it 10 times, like how I have done. हाँ, कैपिटल P ऊपर पेस्ट करेगा, स्मॉल p नीचे पेस्ट करेगा. बोल उठा के पटके तुमको इंसर्ट मोड में चलाएगा तो क्या होगा? फिर से दबा. तुम टी क्यों दबा रहे हो, ये बताओ तुमको है? तो तुम्हारे कीबोर्ड का प्रॉब्लम है ना, कि तुम टाइप कर रहे हो पी और हो रहा है टी. टी के लिए कुछ और उसका होगा कॉन्सेप्ट, इसलिए वो ऐड हो रहा है. हम लोग इसमें जरूरत भर कमांड ही उसमें से निकाले हैं, जबकि अगर इसका वीआई रीडर का देखोगे तो बहुत कमांड है. अब उतना पढ़ाएंगे ना तो फालतू का टाइम भी तुम लोग का जाएगा. जरूरत का चीज बता दिए, हो गया. डन टिल हियर. नाउ टू सर्च एनी वर्ड, first go in the command mode, slash. Okay, like this you give the slash, type the word you want to search. I want to search anything. You see it is showing now where it is. Press N, sorry, anything, hit enter. N, you see it is in the series, that's why it is highlighting. If it is not in series, you see your cursor is moving. N means search next. So a small n will search in downward direction and capital N will search in upward direction. So this is to search any word. I want to do search and replace. Escape colon. I want to search and replace from line number 3 to line number 6. So 3 comma 6. S to search. What to search? Anything and replace with something. Understood? Colon, line number 3 to 6. Search word anything, replace with something. So you see, it has not changed for all. It has changed for only the line number which I have mentioned. And if you want to replace everywhere in this entire file, then colon percentage S to search. I want to search do with done. Global interactive. So all do it change in done. So these are the two different commands. So if you want to do for a specific line, you can mention the line number, and if you want to do for all, then the second one you can use. Try the same. Before executing any command, always make as a habit escape. दो वर्ड एक साथ रिप्लेस करना है, उसका भी है कुछ इसमें दिया हुआ, ठीक है, वो यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक इसमें है या टेक्स्ट प्रोसेसिंग टूल में, दोनों में किसी एक में है ऐसा, मल्टीपल वर्ड्स को सर्च एंड रिप्लेस करने के लिए। इसके लिए इसका बुक है यहाँ पे, लेक्चर नंबर 9। हाँ, एक मिनट रुको। इसमें तो सिंगल है, और एक और यूनिट है, यूनिट नंबर 8, उसमें भी है सर्च एंड रिप्लेस। ऐसा तुम कर सकते हो, देखो ये ना, डॉग को कैट में, हाई को लो में, डॉग रिप्लेस विद कैट, हाई रिप्लेस विद लो, ऐसा कर सकते हैं। बट ये टेक्स्ट प्रोसेसिंग टूल जब बताएंगे तब, अभी नहीं, वीआई एडिटर में ऐसा नहीं। Done till here? Any confusion? Now see here the book, lecture number 9. VI editor, you know already, advantage is very simple. Better than notepad, you can work easily in this VI editor. Speed, difficulties, learning curve and simple curve than simple editors. VI editor is the same, 3 modes. Escape always to return to command mode. Vim basic, to use Vim you must learn open a file, modify, insert mode, save through ex mode. How to open we have already seen. Insert mode commands we have already done. Ex mode. One more thing is there. We use arrow key to move the cursor. If you use 6 and then right arrow key, 6 character, it will jump directly. So whatever number you type and then press the right or left arrow key, accordingly your cursor will jump. So that is written here. Right arrow key to move right 1 character, 5, then right arrow key, it will move 5 characters to the right side. Jumping like that. But don't try this when your cursor is in end of the line and then you press 5 and right arrow key. How it will jump? Then you have to press left arrow key. Working now? And I hope this one is better for you all. HJKL. HJKL means if you press H, it will go left, J right, K up, L down, like that it will work. So which one is better, HJKL or arrow key? Then why they have given it here? Then if you want to move word by word, W and B, W means forward, word by word it will hop, B left side, sentence by sentence, that bracket, paragraph by paragraph, end of the line. Like these are the jumping characters. So I have not included in my notepad. The reason is no one is going to memorize this all. Instead, they prefer to use arrow key. Search and replace we have seen. This one, if you want to delete a line, everyone will do. Delete, copy and this. Who is going to delete a letter with this command? Will you remember, memorize this type things? You will go in insert mode and directly backspace deleted. Or delete button is deleted. So that's why these all things I have not included in the notepad, only the important thing. Generally we delete the lines. So for line, copy and delete we have. But apart from that, if you want to read more, book is already with you. Lecture number 9 is for VI editor. P above and below we have seen, undo, redo. Then it comes visual mode. What exactly is the visual mode? Visual mode means you want to select a specific part of your file, not the line, not the paragraph, but from the middle of the line to some section. Then how we can select? For that we have visual mode. Here the concept is a small v, capital V. A small v character oriented and capital V line wise. So let us see the same here. So here I want to search, I want to copy and delete from here. So first I will move my cursor there. I will press V. V means visual mode. So here you can see visual. Then I will move my cursor. You see it is selecting now. I want to copy from here to here or delete from here to here. So once I have selected, then I have to press single. Earlier I was using double character DD, YY, CC. Now I have to use single character. I want to delete D. I want to copy Y. Understood the use of visual mode? Okay. So capital V to select line wise, small v to select character wise. But before using visual mode, put your cursor from where you want to start the selection. Okay. So same thing I have mentioned here also in the file. Undo, redo, and then this one visual mode. And to press copy selection, delete current selection, what are the commands we have to execute? Clear? So these things also we use rarely. Okay. After this visual mode, next is a splitting window. Who is going to split the window of this VI editor? So that's why I have not included this also. This one, lot of things are there, but in this I have extracted only 3 things. Setting line number, setting the margin, text width or the wrap margin. These 2 things are enough. After that, nothing is there. So same thing I have mentioned here. So to set the line number, to set the text width, to set the wrap margin. And these all settings will be temporary. So if you want to do permanent, you have to do in this file exrc. So let us see. I want to set line number. Colon set a space number. So line number will set. Colon set a space number. Now you see, I am going to save and exit. Next time I open, line number is there. It's not there. It's temporary setting. Okay. So just to refer any line, like generally what we do, we search line by line where it is. But I know in line number 128, this is the thing. So how we can do? We can set the line number, scroll down and we can directly reach to that line number. Okay. So here, if you want to set these things permanently, we have command vi space tilde slash dot exrc. This is the file name. Field means in my home folder. Dot means hidden file and file name is exrc. So if you want to set line number permanently, then you will go inside this file. Okay. And it is written here also exrc. Go in the insert mode and then you write here set a space number. That's it. Not in the bottom. In the insert mode you have to write it. Save and exit. And colon is not required here. Understood? Then you open any file. You see line number will be there. How many times you open? Line number is there. Not only on this file. You open any file. For example, that user information is there. Na? etc pass wd. You see line number is there. Any file you open from now with the VI editor, line number will be there. Colon, generally what we do, colon set a space number as a command. But when you are defining it permanently, you don't need to give colon. And you want to remove this setting, then delete this line, save and exit. Understood? dd colon wq. Now you open your file. No line number. Understood? Any confusion? So the same thing is defined here. Rest two things, text width and wrap margin. So what exactly is this text width and wrap margin? This two setting is used for new file, not for the file with content. For the new file you want after 10 characters, 20 characters, it should automatically change the line. For that you will set text width. And if you want from the right side it should leave this much space, you will set wrap margin. That is the difference. So we will not do both in a same file, any one. Okay. So here VI space Kamal. One file I am going to create. First I will not go in the insert mode. First I will set a space text width equal to 30 character. Understood? Now, first I have to set this one. Then I will go in the insert mode. I will start typing and automatically after 30 character it will change the line. This is my first blog on technology. You see, automatically it is changing. Understood? So for this you have to write like this. Colon set text width equal to how many characters you want. And why it is written Vim only? Because in earlier version of VI editors, this feature was not there. Done? Escape colon Q sign of exclamation. I have not saved this file. So I am going to create again new file. Colon set a space wrap margin equal to 40 characters. Means from right side 40 characters. Insert mode. I have never done this type of project. You see, from right side it has left 40 characters. That is our wrap margin. So any one you can use, either text width or wrap margin. Huh? How it is? So right side you don't know how much is the total width of your column. So if you calculate, you know everything, then accordingly you can define. Huh? This command, you want to delete this file Kamal. Same rm space minus f file name. Huh? Home folder. You see, if you don't keep path by default, all files will get saved in home folder. If you are not satisfied with this class, means VI editor, Linux will teach you. Use command vim tutor, read all the theories, commands, concept here. Each and everything related to VI editor is available here. Understood? So when you want to explore more related to VI editor, you can use command vim tutor. Inside, you search whatever you want and read. To exit, same concept, colon Q enter. So this much is VI editor. Any confusion? You create file with cat, nano, vi, whatever it is. By default, it goes to your home folder. If you specify the path, then it will save on the specific path. Done? Can we move to next? Huh? Yes or no? How many of you are with no? Only one. If you feel you can read more, then we can move. We have now 8 to 10 minutes more, or we'll start afresh tomorrow. Both options. Okay, then practice this VI editor properly once again. And because we have not learned today one more topic, so tomorrow we'll have this lecture number 7 and 8. So if you want, you can go through the books, and this 7 and 8 is not much more topics. A small few commands related to the text file. So we'll cover this, and tomorrow is Friday, na? So this Saturday, Sunday you don't have class, so no need to worry. You can take rest. Rest means you can practice and plan anything. Because I have seen the syllabus. So tomorrow we will be completing till day 9, and total is 28, means almost 50% is there. So no problem. Because after this it will not take much more time. It was initial things. So Monday we will have this scheduling, managing archives, means still here we will cover on Monday. Then these administrative things will be there. No problem. We are on track.